Understanding HVAC Delta T is key to checking if your heating or cooling system is actually working right, and knowing how to physically measure, return, and supply duct temperatures makes it way easier to figure it out. So, first off, you want to find the right spots on your ducts to measure. Usually, this means drilling quarter-inch holes in both the return and supply air ducts. Just enough to fit your temperature probes in without messing up airflow. Then, grab a dual temperature meter and set it to differential mode so it shows the temperature difference between the two probes directly. Stick one probe in the return duct hole and the other in the supply duct hole. Wait a few minutes for the temps to stabilize, because you want accurate readings that reflect real HVAC performance, not some quick spike or dip. Make sure you're measuring when the system has been running steadily for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Also, double-check your meter's calibration to avoid any funky numbers. Once you get your Delta T reading, compare it with your HVAC system's specs. Typically, it should fall within a certain range to let you know your system's running efficiently. One of the biggest mistakes people make when measuring HVAC Delta T involves drilling holes in the wrong spots, which gives inaccurate temperature readings. Fix that by choosing locations away from bends or dampers for more consistent airflow. Another issue is not letting the system run long enough before measuring. If you check temperatures too soon, your Delta T won't be reliable, so always wait at least 5 minutes before taking readings. Lastly, using a single temperature meter instead of a dual probe setup can cause errors and waste time. Investing in a dual temp meter set to differential mode makes everything simpler and way more precise. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to HVAC systems and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors get connected with people who need their skills, so everyone wins.